Titan is the largest moon of Saturn. It is one of the largest moons in the solar system, and it is also the only moon that is known to have a thick atmosphere.
Data from the Cassini-Huygens mission, which flew by Titan in 2004, demonstrated the existence of hydrocarbon lakes.
Titan is a fascinating world. It's the most alien place in the solar system, so to speak, because in fact, other than the Earth, is the only place we know of that has seas of liquid on its surface, but those seas are not made of water.
In these seas and lakes, there are no waves, as the liquid is liquid methane and ethane, which is much less dense than water liquid. These two hydrocarbons on Earth are volatile gases. But on Titan's minus 180 degrees Celsius temperature, they are liquid. Titan has a very similar landscape to Earth. There are seas, lakes, smoothed rocks on the riverbeds, mountains, valleys, canyons. But these mountains and pebbles are not made by any rock like on the Earth, but they are made of water ice, so frozen due to the minus 180 degrees Celsius temperature on Titan's chilly surface that it behaves like rock. Cassini's radar images showed that on Titan, liquid methane forms clouds, thunderstorms, and even falls as rain.
Methane in the atmosphere also plays a role similar to water in the atmosphere. On Earth, you have a water cycle. On Titan, methane plays a very similar role. It falls to the surface as rain or mist. We do see channels and rivers where methane is flowing across the surface and doing geological work like we would see water do on the surface of the Earth.
Liquid methane has a cycle very similar to Earth's water cycle. The question is, could it behave like water does on Earth, as a liquid that allows organic molecules to dissolve and interact? There is no easy answer to this. Titan's atmosphere also contains many organic gases, such as methane, ethane, and hydrocarbons, and possesses conditions that resemble those of early Earth 4 billion years ago that allowed life to develop.
In many ways, the atmosphere of Titan looks like a young Earth in the fridge, much colder, much cooler. But prebiotic chemistry, the same processes are there. What we don't know is whether these prebiotic processes are turning into something that is biological in nature at the surface of Titan or in the subsurface.
However, liquid methane and ethane are much colder than liquid water by some 200 degrees Celsius, and biochemical reactions would occur at painstakingly slow rates. These compounds are also far less capable as solvents compared to water, and therefore much less life-inducing. Water is also missing from the picture due to freezing temperatures of minus 178 degrees Celsius. Several experiments have shown that with an atmosphere similar to that of Titan and the addition of UV radiation, complex molecules and polymer substances like tholins can be generated, substances that could be considered a sort of precursor to life.
What weirdo chemistry, physics, biology could be. People are trying to think in terms of what could be a biology based on methane. It's not the best, apparently, when it comes to provide a structure for biochemistry.
The conclusion is that Titan is a world rich in organic matter, with a methane cycle comparable in atmospheric and geological processes to Earth's water cycle, that is really likely to harbor life. In the last years, NASA and ESA have combined efforts to develop an unmanned space mission that could finally unveil all the Titan's mysteries, but none of them have been approved yet. One of the most exciting missions proposed to unveil the secrets of the methane and ethane lakes of Titan is NASA's Titan submarine. This submarine would explore the depths of the Kraken Mare, the largest known body of liquid on the surface. This mission would be designed to measure the organic constituents on Titan and would have performed the first nautical exploration of an extraterrestrial sea, analyze its nature, and possibly observe its shoreline. As the other proposed mission to Titan, this Titan submarine mission hasn't been given the green light yet.
There's lots of really fun options for exploring Titan, but NASA has not actually selected one of these options.
Therefore, to date, there are no confirmed space missions to Titan in the coming years. But everything could change if a shocking discovery is made in the near future.